There are many ways to earn money from home, depending on your skills, interests, and availability. Here are some ideas. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services to students of all ages. You can advertise your services through social media or tutoring websites. Freelance writing. If you enjoy writing, you can become a freelance writer and write articles, blog posts, and other types of content for clients. You can find freelance writing opportunities on websites like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Online surveys. You can sign up for online survey websites and get paid for sharing your opinions on various products and services. Sell goods online. You can sell handmade goods, secondhand items, or products you've sourced from wholesalers or manufacturers online through websites like eBay, Amazon, or Etsy. Virtual assistant. You can provide administrative or clerical support to clients remotely, including scheduling appointments, managing emails, or making phone calls. Graphic design. If you have graphic design skills, you can offer your services to clients online to design logos, social media posts, or other visual content. Transcription. You can transcribe audio or video recordings for clients and get paid per minute of audio. Online coaching. If you have expertise in a particular area, such as fitness, nutrition, or business, you can offer coaching services online to clients. Remember that earning money from home requires dedication, hard work, and discipline. You may need to invest some time and effort up front to build your skills and your reputation, but with persistence, you can create a profitable home-based business.